Okay, so this is called Hua Do. Oops. I guess my foot was in that thing. Ooh, dang. Close one. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight down that way in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna be walking down that street. You can see how much this artwork is because you can see how small the people look as they walk across the artwork. So that's probably at least 2 stories high, at least. And one person is probably, what, 2/3 of a story or half, 2/3 maybe? So we're gonna be walking down that way. Before we go down, so this is showing my, I think you can see my video because you can see how beautiful that is, right? So you can see all this stuff as well. So there's Sunshine Park, and we'll say hi to this guy as well. So he was like checking it out and kind of seeing what I was doing. I think he likes that because I have a nice view right there. So it's good. Yeah, it is really beautiful. Like, this artwork is amazing, especially this camera, because this camera can capture it, and it's like a nice little view of it. So let's just kind of go down this way a little bit. So that's where we're just at, down that way, and this is the other artwork area right here. I do want to go down this a little bit as well because this is part of our focus. It's all this beautiful artwork everywhere. Kobe. And there's stuff, oh, let's go up a little bit further because that's kind of a beautiful artwork as well. I like that one a lot. Yeah, actually this artwork is beautiful. Yeah, looks like there's one eye. Or is there, oh, there's two. I guess the shadowing, I guess. The lighting and the shadowing. Pretty beautiful. That must be the artist right there. Hello. So this is kind of captured down the street a little bit. So we're gonna keep on walking down that street. That was our little graffiti and beautiful artwork, and this is also the artwork, and that was that park that we started at there too. So we're just gonna keep on going down. I wonder if I show that guy the YouTube channel. Let's see, I wonder if I should show him. So we're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Kind of want to show him that YouTube channel just so he knows how to find it. You might really like that a lot. Look at that. Look how cool that is right there. That is really beautiful. This whole building right here. Yeah, I should show him that channel because he might really like that a lot. Might go back there again and see this is very kind of somebody's mad. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking all the way down. That's kind of cool right there too because we have that little thing right there, but we're gonna keep on walking down that way. This is new right here. It's a beef shop. Macau Ming Ki beef and food. Yeah, I might go back down and show him that. Might go back and show him the channel right here. He might really like that a lot. That lady's really yelling a lot. Look how beautiful that building is too. Beautiful. Oh, she's really mad. Sorry. There's another hotel right there. She's really upset. Okay.
Bye.
So we're gonna keep on going down.
Bye.
Little parking lot right there. And that's the end of our street, Rua do Bocage. And just kind of check it all out. Yeah, it looks nice, eh? So I think what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna go back and just kind of show that guy that this is a YouTube channel and he can check it out anytime he wants.
She